शादी करोगी, मुझसे शादी करोगी, मुझसे शादी करोगी, मुझसे शादी करोगी.
Hello guys, so today's topic is, are these guys paying money to sleep with their wives?
Into the brothel run by an East European gang. We're about to negotiate for a bride to go into a sham marriage. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
The man we've arranged to meet, Peter, is not there, but one of the women takes our team to a private room to wait.
How many girls is working here?
It's 5.
5,
Now working 3.
3.
Yeah, because me and Alexa not working today.
Yeah. And it's good money?
A little.
Yeah.
No good. Nothing, no.
She makes it clear she doesn't get involved in sham marriages.
I put my married this man example and no want because no want money for married.
Alexa is Romanian. She seems more open to the idea.
So he's saying he wants to get married to stay in the country.
Yes.
Can you put him a question?
She's happy.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
How year old?
How old?
18.
18.
You're working?
He said, what job you doing?
What job?
Yeah.
Massage.
Massage. Is sex business. Sex business. Yeah? It's okay.
So Alexa says she's 18 and is willing to be a sham bride. But the details of the deal are left to this man. Peter appears to be in control.
So he have a few questions.
Yeah.
How much money he say he must to pay?
10,000 euro.
10,000 euro.
You have to pay 50% before. Okay. Do anything and 50% after you make the paper, you know? When you go to sign for marriage, something like this, yeah? Okay. You have to pay for all, for the lawyers, for wedding. You don't stay with her. You don't do nothing with her, only paper. Only paper? Yeah, you don't live together. Oh. You understand?
You got the idea about today's topic after watching this short clip. Now, what is paper marriage? So I was wondering, what is paper marriage? So I was confused. I asked many guys who told me that, okay, I have done paper marriage. And I said, okay, so what is paper marriage? How you have done it? There's a different way, or there's a separate office where you go there and you tell these authorities you are doing paper marriage? They say, no, it's the same thing. You go there and it's the same, like you need 2 witnesses, everything is same. Then I said, what is paper marriage? Why you call it paper marriage? They said, because the thing is this, I'm paying money to this girl, whoever it is, and that's it. And to get the visa, okay, you're paying money, she's your legal wife. Literally, you're paying someone to sleep with your wife, because most of them, whenever I spoke with them, or I asked them, where's your paper marriage wife, or where is that girl you are paying money, who's your legal wife? First of all, they were very reluctant to accept it that she is or she was their legal wife. But I was keep asking them, and then they say, okay, she is living with her boyfriend. Then with respect, I always say them, do you understand that your wife is sleeping with another man and you are even paying money for it? How you accept it? How you digest this thing? They say, no. It is, she is not my wife. It is only a paper marriage. Most, you can say that interesting part or very worrying part was that, which triggered me to make this video about South Asian, which include India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, where they involve religion into it. For example, I spoke to one guy from Pakistan, and he was saying that, oh, it is a paper marriage, but she is not my Islamic wife. I said, what do you mean by that? But he was saying that nikah was not done. I said, okay, what you know about nikah? He said, nikah, you have a specific kind of verses, you do that, and that imam come from mosque. And I said, do you understand that? Because I have done my research as well. There is no verses for nikah. Nikah could easily be done because nikah is a very simple thing. You have two witnesses and nikah is done. He said, no, it's not like that. I said, please confirm with your imam. He literally called his imam in front of me and called him, and he confirmed it what I was saying it. And he was a bit shameful on that. So I was saying that, see, we do not do our research and we use religion to safeguard us, and we should be ashamed of ourselves. So that's one thing. Second, there was a guy from India as well. I spoke to him, and he was also saying that, oh, it is just a paper marriage. So I said, what is the difference? He said, because this girl didn't go with me to our mandir, or you can say that their temple. I said, but in India you don't have court marriages. You don't register your marriage. He said, we did that. So those marriages are acceptable? He said, yes. So I said, what is the difference then? He was saying, oh, because their blessings are not done. I said, blessings are not done, but that is nothing to do with the marriage. Marriage is legalized. He said, yes. He says, mean that literally your wife is sleeping with someone else and you are paying money for it. But the problem is this: first of all, we are living in delusion. These girls whoever we're marrying, whatever agreement we have, they are legal wives. They are your legal wives. So literally you are paying money for your to someone to sleep with your wife. Look, the whole purpose of making this video to create awareness and to talk about the topics which are in our head, but we can't speak. So because as I promised, I'm going to speak my mind. I'm going to break down all of these barriers. So thank you very much.